Hi, it's Carol here, the founder of the Sleep Success Academy. And tonight I was doing a free coaching call on how to use tapping to improve the quality of your sleep. So I just got off the call and I wanted to just do a little video here to let you know that the call recording will be put on the free resource tab. So if you want to go to the website, sleepsuccessacademy.com, and you will see where you can actually get a copy of the recording right now. And so what did we talk about in tonight's free coaching call? We talked about how to use tapping specifically for your sleep issue. First, we started talking about what tapping is and what tapping is not. And we made the difference between tapping for self-regulation versus tapping for transformation, because it is a different thing. Like when we use tapping every day for self-regulation, we're building regulation in our nervous system. We're dealing with everyday event that's happening. And then we can use tapping at a deeper level for transformation, especially if we want to transform our sleep from poor sleep to good sleep. And how might we do that? So then we looked at the three components to better sleep. I gave examples on each component, your emotional well-being, your mindset, and your behaviors, of how you could use tapping in each of those in order to get the transformation that you want for better sleep. One comment that one of the guests or one of the attendees did was saying that he never realized that you should work on your emotional well-being first, your mindset second, and then your behaviors in that order. And that's what I teach. And the reason for that is if we start trying to change our behaviors, but we still have dysregulation in our nervous system, or we still have the fear of going to bed, and then we still have the belief that it's not possible for me to sleep, changing my behaviors won't help that. So we have to start emotional well-being, mindset, and behaviors. It was a really good call. I enjoyed it. I think the people on the call got a lot from it. We did an exercise, external orienting tapping, where we use tapping without words. We're actually tapping, orienting to the external environment using our five senses, which is really good to help our nervous system bring in some regulation. And so when we did that together, you can follow along if you get a copy of the recording. So that was really good. So that's one way you could use tapping before bed if you wanted to. Just excited. I'm still all hyped up from the call, as you can tell. And I just wanted to let you know that it is available to you if you wanted to follow along. And at the same time, I give a coupon code for my Tapping 101 course. So if you were interested in getting the coupon code, you'll have to register for the call. That's it for this video. Again, at any time you want any help, please reach out at support@sleepsuccessacademy.com.